It's a misconception that you only have to use it on a single family home. It's a misconception that your home has to be perfect in order to use the VA loan.
Now, what does your model look like today? Because I know you and I talked, and I actually don't even know where you're at today. So I want you to share with the community. You started with single family, and then you started with another one. I don't know if it was done in the same neighborhood. You said it was fairly close, and
it was in different city. It was about an hour.
Oh, was it? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was relatively close. And then now, are you in different markets today, or how does it work? Or you mentioned Florida, you mentioned Georgia. Where are you at now?
Yeah, I'm all over the place. So it was so after that Jacksonville deal, single family, I kind of realized that, hey, this $100 a month cash flow, if there is any repairs. So for example, this actual unit there, I installed a low flush toilet, right? You got the one drip or two drip.
Yes,
well, they were clicking the one drip regardless of what happened, right? So I had to there was a lot of plumbing fees, like plumbers had to keep coming out. And every time
it was cutting into your profit margin.
Exactly. If they come out 3 times, that's $300. That's literally 3 months of profit. That's gone. So realizing that, I was like, hey, we got to take advantage of economies of scale, and then I pushed into a 4-unit basically.
Nice.
From there. And then after that,
now, did you still use a VA loan for that? For those out there always curious about the financing?
I've used the VA loan twice. Once was for that the very first live-in flip deal, and the second was for another 4-unit. So.
Yeah, and there is a myth out there. I think some people think that they can only use the VA loan once, but that's not true, right, Dan?
That is not true. No, you can use the VA loan multiple times. The first time there's a funding fee of like 2.3%. Every subsequent time after that, it pushes up to 3.3%, a little over that. But that's really the only difference. It's a misconception that you can only use it one time. It's a misconception that you only have to use it on a single family home. It's a misconception that your home has to be perfect in order to use the VA loan. Right. There's VA repair. I can't remember
guidelines. Yeah.
So you can repair homes with the VA loan as well. So.